Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Being productive and having tools that help us be productive is awesome. And if that tool is even free, it's even more awesome. And in this video, we will talk about 5 tools which you personally use in my day-to-day life to be productive and have control over the time. If you are new here, my name is Mano. I'm a Flutter Developer, and I use a lot of free tools. Both it may be online or offline to be productive and keep control over the time. And that's what we are going to see in this video. 5 tools which will help you to be productive. So first tool in the list of 5 is Remove.bg, and I use this tool quite often recently, and it's such an amazing tool. You just click on the upload image section, you take an image. For example, I'm taking my image over here and click on open. It will search for, it uses some algorithms and search and identify which is the foreground and background, and it will come up with an amazing image which will give you only the foreground and not the background itself. So as you can see here, I just the background is went away, and I'm the only person in the image right now. And you can also edit it if you want. If you don't want something, or if you want to change the background yourself, just click on the edit section, and it will give you a list of background templates. You can select one which you want, or even if you have your own background, you can just click on the select photo and upload a background of your choice and go with it. So the second tool in the list is Notion. Notion is one of my favorite tools. I use it every single day, all the time, to track my notes, to track my daily schedules, to have a to-do list, to do all sorts of things, to take notes. If I listen to some podcast and I have to take notes of it, I go to just open Notion, type out whatever I want, and it is there online, and I don't have to worry about it. I can view it on my mobile, I can view it on my desktop, wherever I connected to Notion, I can view it there. So as you can see over here, Notion is an amazing tool. You just click on this plus thing and add a page. It will add a page for you, and you can give some title like YouTube, and you just type whatever you want. It also allows you to insert some tables and boards. These boards are called as Kanban boards, and it will help you organize stuffs properly. You will have lists and all sorts of things. They also give you preset templates which you can use if you want to, and these things are amazing. Like, they have a lot of templates over here. You can choose whatever you want from this list of templates which they provide, and this is one of my favorite tools in this list of 5 tools which I use every day. And Notion is great, Notion is awesome, but if there is a tool to particularly focus on our to-do list, like our day-to-day to-do list, it's awesome. It will be great over there. So I use this tool called Todoist, Todoist, to track my day-to-day to-do list. I have a list of to-dos which I have to complete within a day. For example, today I have this write a script for this video, and also build UI with Flutter, the next one. So even if I want to add something, I just click on the add new one and type something new, like something, and just add a task for that. And if you finish something, you can click on this circle and it mark it as done. It's an awesome tool. You can try it out. It particularly focuses on to-do lists of you. If you are a college student, or if you are a working professional, this tool Smallpdf comes super handy for you in times when you have to convert that Word document into a PDF, or PDF into a Word document, or even compress a Word document for that matter. And this Smallpdf software provides you a lot of options, something like this. See, most popular PDF tools like PDF to Word, merge two PDFs, which is awesome. JPEG to PDF. If you want an image, if you are having an image and you have to convert that image to a PDF file, you can do that. You can e-sign a PDF, edit a PDF, compress a PDF. You have a lot of options over here. You can create a new PDF, do all sorts of things. You can convert a PDF to Excel sheets. So this is an amazing tool if you are a college student or working professional working with PDFs a lot. I'm sure you will be. So this Smallpdf tool is super handy at times when you use PDF a lot. The next tool and the last tool, the fifth tool in this app and this list is Grammarly. I can't tell you guys how much I like this tool. This is an amazing tool. I use it in all my browsers: Firefox, Brave, Google Chrome. I use it every time. It is super helpful. It saves me a lot of times, and whenever I make grammar mistakes, in any Word documents or in Twitter tweets or in Instagram post descriptions or wherever it is, this tool comes super handy for me. And I have this extension everywhere. Even in my mobile phone, I use Grammarly keyboard. You can download the Grammarly keyboard from Play Store and use it. Try using it. This tool is super amazing. If someone is making grammar mistakes, you just tell them to use Grammarly. If you try it out once, and I'm sure you can't get out of this. That's it for me, guys, in this video. These are the 5 amazing tools, not just students, and it's for everyone who wants to be productive and have amazing control over the time can use. And that's it for me. See you guys in the next one. The links to all the tools will be in the description below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.